How to change your username on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your username on TikTok in just few simple steps. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, open the TikTok app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the option labeled as Edit Profile. Now here you can see the option label name. So simply tap on it to update your display name. And also keep in mind that you can only change your display name once every 7 days. And once you're done with that, simply go back and tap on username. Now here, simply enter your new unique username that follows TikTok guidelines. And once you have entered your new username, simply tap on Save shown in the top right corner. And a confirmation message will pop up. Just tap on Confirm to apply the changes. And that's it. Your TikTok username is now updated. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.